So I'm super excited to use it. So to begin with, I'm just gonna start off by cleansing my face with some facial astringent. So I just put it on a cotton and just go and cleanse my face. So you want to get it all over. I'm gonna go in actually with my Tarte Hydrating Primer, Watermelon Burst, and I've just been using this because it's hydrating and it's the primer at the same time. So I just like to do a 2-in-1 pretty much, instead of moisturizing my face and then putting a primer. Just gonna start by going and doing my brows. So for my brows, I'm gonna use Smoke by the Absolute New York Slim Brow Pencil. This is like one of my favorite pencils. I use it all the time. Smoke is a darker color, but if you're light with it, it doesn't have to come out that dark. So you see the difference? Filled in, not filled in. So, and that was just a little bit. And so now to clean them up, I'm gonna go in with my Medium Sand by e.l.f. Camo Concealer. If you haven't watched my other videos, most definitely go check them out. This has been like my go-to concealer for the most part. You can find it at any drugstore, and it's just affordable as hell and just good. It's buildable, it's creamy, it's really good. So I'm just putting some on my little silver makeup holder, whatever it's called, and I'm gonna go in with this flat brush and pick up my color, and I'm gonna carve my brows out. I'm gonna do the same for the top of my brows. So now that I have that there, I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush and blend out the concealer. Now I'm gonna go in and prime my eyelids, and I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base in the shade number 2. Okay, and I'm gonna apply it to my eyelid. So I'm using my P. Louise base to be a base for my eyeshadow, so it could pick that color up really nicely. Let's see what the Mauves by Juvias is talking about. Ooh, this is nice. I'm really feeling this. But I'm gonna go in with this color here and then smoke out the ends with these two. Maybe I'll put a little sparkle. I don't know. I always say I'm gonna be natural, and then it's something a whole different story. You heard? So for this video, I'm gonna use the Eye Babe Faves by Morphe, and I'm gonna use some of their brushes. So this is for, I'm gonna just go on with some of their eyeshadow brushes, and then I'll make another video using all of their brushes for a makeup look if you guys are interested in getting this. So I'm gonna go in with these two brushes and do some work with these eyeshadows. So this one here is the Pro Film Blending Crease Brush by Morphe. Oh, it's a Morphe M441 brush. I'm feeling it. This one here is the Morphe M330 brush. What kind of brush is this? This is a blending crease brush. I'm gonna pick up this color here. Yeah, I'm already really feeling this. Look at this color payoff. Juvia's place will never let you down. Never. So, I don't know. I think I might just keep it simple and just do like this. I might not even smoke out I'm not smoking it out. So we're gonna be real simple. So I'm just patting it on to get that color payoff. And I'm just swooping and swiping to blend that crease part out. And this is perfect because it's pointed. And I'm just buffing that out. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M167 brush, which is a oval shadow brush, fresh out the pack. And I'm gonna go in with this like glitter shade. And let's see how that works out. Oh, well, I like it. It picks up really nicely. Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all see, but and I'm just patting it on. My wing liner is done, so for lashes I'm going in with my brand Untitled Artistry in the style Savage. If you guys are interested in purchasing these lashes, you can visit my website, which is linked down below. These are called Savage from Untitled Artistry. So now I'm just gonna move on to foundation. So I'm going in with these two foundations by NARS Thick Foundation, cream foundation. So these are my two go-to colors right now, and I'm just gonna apply it onto my face, two-tone. So I'm gonna put the darker color on the outer perimeter of my face. I know people are like, oh, that looks too dark for you, but no, trust me, when it's all blended out, it's gonna look nice. But you always put the darker color in the outer perimeter. You see that? Whoosh. This is my color in the summer though. And then go in with that lighter color in the inner portion. And I know this kind of looks too light, but when it's all blended out, it looks fab. So now I'm gonna go in with medium sand, my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm gonna put it on my chin, Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyes. And on my forehead. So I'm gonna let that sit on there for a while, just for a little bit, so it can get nice and tacky. And what am I gonna use to contour? I'm gonna go in with my suede stick, and use it by Fenty Beauty. And I'm gonna use it to contour. So here, my hair's in the way. I'm gonna really focus on my temples. Now put some on the side of my nose.
Niggas act like bitches, so we put him on the skirt. Nigga think he on that, he gon' end up on the shirt.
So now I'm gonna go with my beauty blender and blend this out. Buff this out now. A bad bitch, a sad bitch. So you just want to blend the contour out. And that leftover product that's near the temple area, you just bring it towards the middle and it will help contour the middle of your forehead. So to set my face, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder and translucent honey. So for the first round underneath the eyes, I get some of the translucent powder and then I just press it into my skin underneath my eyes at least. And I press it in. And then I go in with the powder and put in all the areas that we used to conceal, that we concealed with. And I put the powder on. And it's okay to put some powder on your brows to set your brows. So here, to help cut that contour lightly. And now I'm gonna go back in with the second round of powder for underneath my eye. And then I'm gonna bring it to like the sides of my nose too and set it. So I'm gonna let this bake. I'm gonna let this bake for a while and then I'm gonna go in and powder contour. So to do that, I'm gonna go in with Give Me Sun by MAC. Don't focus on me, focus on the product. So I'm gonna use this in all the areas that I cream contour. I'm gonna use it and I'm going to put the powder contour to set it. So you see how it brings out that color, and I'm just gonna go and bring it up by the temples. So here, so this is before powder, and then now I'm gonna put the powder on to enhance it and set it. Y'all see I got a background now? So y'all don't gotta see my ugly, dirty. Y'all ain't have to see that. If you watch my other videos, you know what I'm talking about. I finally got a background and I'm so happy about it because it was looking real ghetto in the back, like real ghetto. But I finally got a nice backdrop, so when I film, it doesn't have to be messy. So thanks for bearing with me with that. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing for my nose. Powder contour, and if it's too harsh to contour, I just go back in with my beauty blender and I just blend it out. That's all. Boom. So then to set, to dust off the translucent powder, I'm gonna go in with medium golden. Medium golden, I don't know what brush I'm supposed to use, to be honest. Yeah, just a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use it to dust away and set my face. So it's gonna dust away that translucent powder and set my face. So it was a nice little short bake. I'm gonna go in and put some color underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna go with the same color that I put on my eyes and pick it up and go in with my Morphe M508 brush and apply it to the bottom portion. So you see that? Just a little bit of color helps bring it out. Put some mascara to my bottom lashes. With these two colors here, an orangey pinky shade, and blush my cheeks up. So now I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna set my spray, set my face with my All Nighter Urban Decay spray. And I'm just gonna blend this out. So now I'm gonna put some highlight on. Next one that I'm gonna go in with is Chic. So let's see how this mama looks. Chic. Looking like a nice classic mauve. That's the point, right? So, whoosh, whoosh. Let's see. This the one. This is the one. Yeah. Juvias. This is the one. And this is like, this is gonna be beautiful like on any skin complexion. I like Chic a lot. I really do. And then just line it a little bit more. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know down below what other videos you would like to see.